The fireworks are.
What if I slap your forehead?
I scream.
I texted Dad.
It's Canada Day. Whoa! That's so freaking cool. Oh, there's that one. It looks like a big sparkler. Like those stick things that you light on fire and they're like. I don't know. Go ahead.
There's no I'm the only one not seeing that, right?
I am. It's like a drone.
Is it drone?
Oh, I think it's it to hover over the fireworks just in case if they hit any, just to make sure they don't hit anything. Maybe.
But explain this then.
What? What?
Does that look like a drone?
No. An alien? Guys, there's an alien. Yes, I'm posting this. Because why shouldn't I? It's gonna be Canada.
What was that?
Bro, there's an alien in the sky. Oh my god, what if aliens come on every celebration day of a country?
Then that'd be freaking weird.
Alien! We found an alien, real UFO on camera. Oh, get away, mosquito. The fireworks are so cool. Nah. Had the same thinking. Oh yeah, and my brother's is a big back. Not my big brother, my little brother. Because when he doesn't get popcorn, he always cries. Like, jeez, can't he just handle with a day without freaking popcorn? I was so tempted to say the F word. You're recording? What's she saying?
They are watching.
No way.
From their room.
I'm
sure they really
Go. That's all. Bro. What I was doing is that I was just sitting in my
stop
room.
Filming and watch.
No. What I was doing.
I'm tempted to jump off the trampoline.
Jump.
It's so beautiful.
1 sec. I'm gonna jump on my trampoline. Ow! My freaking balls! You coming?
You're not posting it.
I will. Oh, you can't see them back there. You can't see them back there from here. Oh, my God, my head. Okay, I'm gonna go back on the desk. You can't really see them. Can you say hi to the camera?
Die.
Okay, close.
Now you can't post it.
Why?
I said die.
So, my YouTube
doesn't allow die.
My YouTube channel isn't for kids.
Dude, mosquito.
Ah, get the frick off me! Whoa! There was green smoke. I don't know if y'all saw that. Maybe. Big firework!
Don't scream. Stop filming.
No. Let it at least go to like 7 minutes or something.
You're not posting this.
Yes, I will.
That's not good.
Getting what?
Getting banned. I said die.
So? Well, there's so many YouTube videos with swears and other stuff.
Yeah, I have always wondered why. Dude, I'm gonna clap this guy.
Green smoke. Oh yeah, and I'm probably going to BC in 2 days. I mean, no, not 2 days. 1 week. That's what my parents said.
Wait, we're going to BC?
Yeah.
Did he grab a Robert?
Oh, that was
I
disappointing.
said his name. You can't post that.
So?
Dude, saying someone's name like that is not allowed.
Okay.
If I do give our house information, you can't post it.
No! No, please don't.
Okay.
This is video people like.
Please, it's Canada Day, not Chocolate from the YouTube video.
You know what? I'll end it, okay? Let it go to 7 minutes. It's just about there.
Don't post it.
Why?
Because you're gonna get banned.
Says who? What?
Chago.
I'm just gonna end it.